Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gwen Salmarin, the Millennial Breadwinner, and I empower breadwinners to become generational wealth builders. And if this is your first time tuning on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe para din ma-notify ka on my next one. And also join my Facebook group, Generational Wealth Builders, link down below. So, for today, it will just be a really fun and light video where I explain, should you buy things in installment or in cash? But most of the financial gurus, of course, sasabihin nila, buy the things in cash. But I believe, in my experience, there are still things out there that you can buy in installment without hurting your financial goals and also your pocket. First of all is food. So, food as a necessity is dapat, of course, cash yan. Kasi ibig sabihin lang, if you cannot sustain your necessities, kailangan natin mag-adjust ng expenses or kailangan natin to find ways to increase our income to accommodate even those simple necessities na din natin like food. So, ano-ano ba yung mga tipid tips naman natin sa food? So, of course, first of all, kung kaya mo naman mag-meal prep, do a meal prep once a week, freeze everything, and then you do a budgeting plan or let's say a meal plan wherein alam mo na kung lulutuin mo, hindi ka labas ng labas para lang din bumili kasi the more na lumalabas ka, the more na napapagastos ka nga, diba? So, plan your meals accordingly para din mas makatipid tayo sa ating food. Number 2 is dining out. So, ito naman yung usual, di ba? Pag weekend, Sunday, we go out with our family, we dine out. So, ito din dapat cash to. Kasi for most people, they treat this as luxury na kasi they have food at home. It's just that they go out and try new restaurants. So, this one, I highly recommend na cash ito. Make sure it is in your budget monthly. So, tipid tip ko naman dito is if you have credit cards, most of them promote yung mga 50% off by this time, by weekend, kumain. My experience, nagamit ko na yung BPI credit card ko for Texas Roadhouse. So, that's 50% off. So, from 5,000, I think nasa around 2,500 na lang kinain namin as a family. So, you can also look for those promos para din maka-discount ka for dining out in your favorite restaurants. Number 3, your daily coffee run. So, yung pa Starbucks natin dyan, pick up coffee, Zeus coffee, dapat cash yan. So, papasok pa rin siya as a necessity for some people. But for me, na uminom lang ng coffee para magising once in a while. So, hindi siya necessity for me. So, tipid tip ko naman for the coffee is, of course, make your own coffee. Buy yung mga quality beans talaga. Ako, I've tried recently mga drip coffee from Sagada. Grabe, ang sarap. Have those things, yung quality coffee talaga, lalo na if you're after the taste of the coffee. And make your coffee at home na din. And yeah, I see na mas nakakatipid yon for some. Pero if that is one of your luxuries na din, na one of your treat stores, that there's nothing bad about it naman. Just make sure that you can pay it in cash. And last but not least, the most controversial is gadgets for personal use. So a lot of people are saying na you should buy it in cash lang. Pero there are promos wherein you can buy it for the cash price and then installment mo babayaran through credit card. So, I suggest if you can do that, do it and then invest yung pang-installment mo para din mag-grow yung money mo and just pay it as the bill comes along. So, tipid tips ko for gadgets. Actually, for me, if you can buy it as new, buy it. It's more convenient, and mas mahaba din yung buhay niya. So, for me din kasi hindi naman ako techie, so hindi rin ako marunong mag-ayos if something goes wrong. And mas convenient pa because I can rely more on the device for a longer period of time. So guys, how about you? Ano yung mga things that you are thinking you're going to buy in installment or buy in cash? And ano-ano din yung mga tipid tips nyo? Share nyo naman below. Again, thank you so much for watching guys and see you on the next one. Bye!